The footage you are about to watch is how I lost my new drone in the national park. Enjoy. I lost my drone. I fly the drone here and it just took off, not controllable, the wind, and somebody warned me not to use the drone, but I used the drone. What can I do? It's lost. Fly all over there. I'm going to show you the video that he recorded, but it's somewhere around there, but I can't find it, you know? So there's no time. Yeah, I can't find it. Very sorry. I lost my drone. Anyway,
how much you pay for that drone?
It's not end of the world. It's a toy drone, but $100 is a big money.
Yeah, you know,
$100.
I know one day I'm going to lose it, but not so soon.
400.
Because you are still practicing how to, before you buy the original. Now I'm losing the hope. I will not buy original one. Because if I buy original for 4,000 shekels, it's going to go like this.
You can't go like this, man.
Who told you?
You hold this nice.
Now what I'm going to do is fly. I'm going to do my video. No flying drone anymore. I'm not going to be crying. See, this brother is laughing at me. I'm feeling pain here. I'm feeling happy here. Anyway, thank you, bro.